Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to utilize the shining edge effect on CapCut. So initially what you're going to want to do is go to Media, click and drag your clip to the timeline. Once you have it there, we're going to go up to Effects, Video Effects, Nightclub, scroll down to find the shining edge effect, click and drag it down to the timeline. And now we're going to choose a point in the timeline where we want the effect to start rolling out, right? And where we want it to end. So also, with the effect being highlighted, we can go up to the special effects tab on the top right and mess with the color. Here, let me put the head right there. Mess with the color of the effect, the filter of it, and the strength. So let's go a little bit like this. That's perfect. And we can also add keyframes. We have a video on that as well. So let's check it out. And that's the shining edge effect, guys. If you have any questions, comment down below. If you like this video, leave it a like. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.